Good morning, class 7 students. So, from lesson 1 measurement, some few more numerical problems are there which I am going to discuss today. So, first problem, two solid cubes of different materials have equal volume of 8 centimeter cube. मतलब दो ठोस वाले क्यूब शेप की ऑब्जेक्ट जो बना हुआ है ऑफ डिफरेंट मटेरियल, अलग अलग जो मटेरियल का बना हुआ है, जिनका वॉल्यूम और इक्वल, मतलब ये दो सॉलिड क्यूब का वॉल्यूम क्या है, बराबर है, वो कितना है, 8 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. Their masses are 90.72 ग्राम and 59.2 ग्राम रेस्पेक्टिवली. वे दो सॉलिड क्यूब का मास, वजन, एक का वजन है 90.72 ग्राम, दूसरे क्यूब का सॉलिड क्यूब का वजन है 59.2 ग्राम. कंपेयर द डेंसिटीज, तुलना करो उनके, वे दो सॉलिड क्यूब की डेंसिटी का, मतलब घनत्व का. सो या कौन कितना भारी है. So let us, two solid cubes are there. What we have to do actually, we have to find the density of these two solid cubes. Then after getting the answer for the densities of these two solid cubes, we will compare those two answers and then we will come to know whose density is more. मतलब दो solid cube का density निकालना है. निकालने के बाद दो solid cube का आंसर आएगा density का, उस आंसर को हम लोग तुलना करेंगे तभी पता चल जाएगा which solid cube has got more density. Okay, let us start now. Two object, let us name one object. एक object का लिख देते A. A object, mass, volume is given. A object volume, that is B. In short, we can write B is equal to 8 centimeter cube. Okay. A object. Name of the object is A. उस चीज का नाम है A, जिसका volume दिया हुआ 8 centimeter cube. Now next is suppose the mass, A object का mass दिया हुआ है, mass of object, that is in short we can write M. Okay, so M for mass. इस ऑब्जेक्ट का मास कितना दिया हुआ है, 90.72 ग्राम. Okay, 90.72 ग्राम. Now let us, for the A object we know the volume कितना जगह लेके है, A object 8 centimeter cube, और उस ऑब्जेक्ट का वजन कितना है, 90.72 ग्राम. So we know the mass and the volume of the object, then it is very easy to find the density. उस चीज का वजन और वॉल्यूम कितना जगह लेके दोनों पता है, तो डेंसिटी निकाल लेंगे by using the mathematical formula. Now density of A is equal to M upon B. Mass upon volume, or mass divided by volume. Now mass is how much given? Write down 8. Mass is given 90.72 gram. 90.72 gram upon volume is given 8 centimeter cube. Okay, this we can write like this: 90.72 upon 8 multiply gram upon centimeter cube. Already in the previous class I explained this. I can write like this. Now this means this means what? 90.72 लाइन का मतलब है इस नंबर को 8 से डिवाइड करो. 9 is divide. 90.72 divided by 8 into this I can write like this also, gram per centimeter cube. Okay, now divide this one in rough. 90.78 divided by 2. 8 ones are 8. Now 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. Again 8 ones are 8. Subtract, 2 will come. Before dropping 7, put a dot. 7 you bring it down. 3 8 is 24. 8 3s are 8 4 is 32. 8 3s are 24. Okay, subtract this 2. It is coming 3, and then it will become 0. Bring this down 2. Then 8, 0 is no value. It is 32 here. In 8 table 32 is there. 8 4s are 32. Subtract this. Okay, 0 is coming, so your division now stops. No number is there to bring it down. So what answer came? We write down 11.34 gram per centimeter cube. So density of A you got 11.34 centimeter cube. Now let us find the density of the second object. Two solid objects you have to take. The second object, suppose the name of the second object is, So density of A you got this much. Okay, I'm having this one. Now write down second object का नाम लिख लो B. Okay, two objects are there whose volume is also 8 centimeter cube. बता गया यहाँ पे दो solid cube जो object है A और B दोनों का volume बराबर है. So B object also volume same. Mass of the object B object is different. 59.2 gram. Write down 59.2 gram. Okay, now find the density of. I am having this one also. I hope you understood how to solve this one. Now, I'm sorry. So I will write density of A. How much I got? Write down. The density of A I got. Density of A I got how much? 11.34 gram per centimeter cube. Okay. Now, so the density of A I got 11.34. Okay. Now let us start gram per centimeter cube. Okay. Per. Okay. Now let us find the volume density of the object B. Now, same like the A object how you have done. जैसे A object का density निकाला उसी तरह B object का दोनों volume और mass दिया हुआ है. Now density of B will be equal to M upon B. Okay. That is M is how much? 59.2 gram upon volume how much? 8 centimeter cube. This you can write like this: 59.2 upon 8 into gram upon centimeter cube. Now this means what? 59.2 divided by 8 into this one. This one I can write like this: gram per centimeter cube. Okay. Now this what you have to do here? You have to divide it here. 59.2 divided by 8. 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64. So 8 7 is 56 will come. Subtract this 2, 3, 5 minus 5 0. Put a dot, bring down 2. Now 8 4 is 32. Subtract this 0 0 0 coming. What answer came? 7.4 multiply gram per centimeter cube. Multiply not required to show. You can write this one. Next step without showing the multiply sign. 7.4 gram per centimeter cube. So density of B, how much you got? Density of B I got. Density of B I got how much? 7.4 gram per centimeter cube. Now compare these two numbers. Density of A you got 11.34. Density of B you got 7.4 gram per centimeter cube. If you compare these two numbers, two decimal number 11.34 is greater than 7.4. So 11.34 gram per centimeter cube is greater than 7.4 gram per centimeter cube. That means ये क्या चीज है? ये किसकी डेंसिटी है? डेंसिटी ऑफ ए. सो डेंसिटी ऑफ ए इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस वी कैन राइट डेंसिटी ऑफ ए is greater than, this is the density of which object? Which solid cube? B. So density of B. So in this way, after finding density, we compare the two density and we found that density of A is greater than density of B. Okay, now let us come to the fifth question. A large pendulum bob of copper. एक बड़ा सा pendulum bob जो copper तांबे का बना हुआ है. Actually, what is a pendulum? You know, in earlier clocks, wall clocks, पुराने जमाने के दीवार घड़ियों में क्या होता था? एक धागा के साथ नीचे राउंड शेप आयरन बॉब. This is the bob. Okay, this is the bob. Iron bob, or it is made. This bob is circular, spherical shape, गोल आकार के spherical shape जो बना होता है आयरन के या कॉपर के. This moves to and fro like this. Okay, left and right it moves like this. So this bob is made of copper. तांबे का बना हुआ है. Weighs 448 gram. Okay. Now let us come. What is given here? Mass. Wazn. Mass of copper bob. How much given? 448 gram. Okay. And volume of the bob. ये जो गोल आकार की जो spherical shape कॉपर का बना हुआ जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उसका वॉल्यूम कितनी जगह लेके है वो दिया हुआ है. Volume of mass means m. We can write M, capital M for mass and capital V for volume. Volume of copper bob इसी की इस चीज की वॉल्यूम दिया हुआ है हाउ मच 50 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. नाउ व्हाट दे आर टेलिंग, फाइंड द डेंसिटी ऑफ द कॉपर. इस तांबे का डेंसिटी कितना है? सो ऑल ऑफ यू नो द फार्मूला, अप्लाई द मैथमेटिकल फार्मूला, the formula which I applied for the previous question. Now all of you know density of any object of copper bob will be equal to what? Mass upon volume. वजन कॉपर बॉब का डिवाइड अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ कॉपर बॉब. Now mass of copper bob how much? Mass of copper bob is given 448 gram. Okay, 448 gram upon volume is 50 centimeter cube. This you can write like this, 448 upon 50 multiply gram upon centimeter cube. Now 448 upon 50 means 448 divided by 50 into this you can write like this, gram slash like this. In place of writing a horizontal line, put a slash line, slanting line and centimeter cube, gram per centimeter cube. Now divide this one, 448. You can put a decimal point at the last, after the last digit of any number you can put some few zeros. You can write as many zeros we want. 2 zeros you write down, then draw this to vertical line and 50 you write down. Okay. Now 50 we have to take, 44 you cannot take, we have to take 448. Then in 50 table you will get 58s are 400 minus this 480. Now 48 is smaller than 50, so you have to bring this digit 0 here. One point is here, put a point and bring the digit here. Now 50 table, 59s are 450. So 59s are 450. Subtract this 2, 3 will come 0 0. Now bring this another 0 here. Now 56 are 300. 56 are 300. Subtract this 0 0 0 0 0 coming. So divide to stop. Remainder 0 coming. No other digit is there to bring it down. So answer what came? Write down 8.96 gram per centimeter cube. So density of the copper bob is 8.96 gram per centimeter cube. Okay. Next is the sixth question. A bus travel at a speed of 75 km per hour. बस चल रहा है, उसकी रफ्तार क्या है? रफ्तार दिया हुआ है. सिक्स क्वेश्चन, राइट डाउन. स्पीड इज गिवन. स्पीड इन शॉर्ट यू कैन राइट एस फॉर स्पीड. स्पीड ऑफ द बस कितना दिया हुआ है? 75 किलोमीटर पर आवर. टू कवर ए डिस्टेंस ऑफ 375 किलोमीटर, 375 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करने के लिए उसको किस रफ्तार से ये डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया? 75 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से. डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल कितना किया? डिस्टेंस वी कैन राइट इन शॉर्ट डी. कितना डिस्टेंस दूरी तय किया? 375 किलोमीटर. क्या निकालना? व्हाट इज द टाइम टेकन बाय द बस टू कंप्लीट इट्स जर्नी. कितना समय लगा इस बस को ये पूरी दूरी 375 किलोमीटर तय करने के लिए कितना समय लगा? यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टाइम. टाइम इज T short, you have to find out. The time will come in hour because the speed is given in kilometer per hour. HR, hour you write down. Now, here you have to apply the formula which I have already explained in the previous classes when explaining lesson on measurement, the speed topic. Now, speed is equal to S is equal to distance upon time. Yes or no? Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Now, you can write this one, S upon 1 is equal to D upon T. Okay? Because anything written, if you put a line under it, horizontal line, then always 1 is coming. Now what you have to do, you have to find the time. Okay, now you cross multiply. Okay, any two fraction equal means you can cross multiply this with this, which will be equal to this with this. Okay, now S multiply time is equal to D multiply 1. Okay, now ST multiply sign not required to show. ST is equal to anything multiply 1, D will come. Then from here time will be equal to D upon S. That means to find time you have to divide distance by the speed. Okay, you have to divide distance by the speed. Now time you have to find out time. So T will remain as it is. Distance how much covered? Write down. D is equal to 375 upon, okay, now how much is the speed? Speed is given 75. No, don't require to write this unit, not required, because already you know we are getting the time in hours. So no required to write this unit here and unit here. Directly write this one, two numbers. Then you come here. This means time is equal to 375. This line means you divide by 75. Okay. Now do the revision here. Okay. Now do the revision here. So what you will get here in 75 table, 75 5s are 375 coming. Okay. 75 5s are 375. Subtract this 5 coming. So time is T is equal to 5 hour. So you will write down 5 here. So time taken by the bus to cover this distance 375 किलोमीटर, time taken is 5 hour. 5 घंटा लगा 375 किलोमीटर दूरी तय करने के लिए.